Business analyst versus product owner versus project manager in a banking domain. Why are we comparing these roles? As some of the roles and responsibilities coincide with each other. And that's creating confusion. What tasks are being managed by whom? So, at a high level, product owner decides what should be built and why. Product owner lays the vision, the value, and prioritize the product. So, in short, product owner decides what exactly needs to be built, defines the product objective, and lists down the key functionalities that would be there in this product. Business analyst defines what exactly needs to be built, the detail, the logic, and the requirements. So, business analyst will go in detail for these functionalities and decides what all things that would be there in these functionalities. Project manager ensures everything is delivered on time and within scope. Project manager lays the plan and evaluates the risk and help in the execution. So, roles and responsibility for a product owner is owning the product vision and roadmap, prioritizing product backlog by business value, decides feature sequencing, accept or reject deliverables. So, example could be launching the instant loan approval before loan dashboard. So, here product owner decides the sequencing as well. That firstly will be launching up the loan approval and then will be launching up the loan dashboard. The responsibility for a business analyst is gathering and analyzing the requirement, converting business needs into user stories, creating as is to be process flows, supporting the development team with clarifications, validating functionality in UAT. So, example could be defining the loan eligibility and defining it at a detail level, such as rejecting if the credit score is less than 650. Project manager will plan up the timelines and resources, will track progress and risk, will manage dependencies and deadlines. Example could be loan system will go live in 3 months with full coordination. Let's see task by task who will be deeply involved in it, who will be supporting it, and who will be putting their efforts at the minimum level. So for the requirements, BA would be deeply involved in this. Product owner will be supporting or will be supporting at the high level. Project manager will be minimally involved in this. Prioritization. BA will be supporting the product owner in this. Product owner will own up the prioritization and project manager will not be involved in this. Delivery timeline. BA would be aware of it. Product owner will also be aware of it and project manager will own it. Stakeholder interaction. BA would be having the detailed interaction with the stakeholders as he will be gathering the requirements for it. Product owner will be involved at the support level or at the strategic level, and PM will be doing the coordination for the stakeholders with business analyst and product owner. Documentation. PA will be highly involved in this and will be creating various documents such as user story, BRD, FRD, PRD, and other documents. Product owner would be involved in this at a decent level, and project manager will be very rarely involved in the documentation process. Which are the tasks which are basically owned by business analyst? Requirement detailing converts the vague ideas into actionable specs. Process mapping, edge case handling, identifying the scenarios that others miss, data analysis, and UAT. So, tasks where all three would be involved. Requirement finalization. Product owner defines what and why. VA defines and lays the detail for it. Project manager ensures alignment within timeline. Sprint planning. Product owner will be prioritizing the product backlog in this. EA would be explaining up the requirements. PM will be ensuring capacity and feasibility, development phase, and UAT in release. So in UAT, PA validates the functionality, PO approves the business readiness, and PM ensures release execution. So let's take an example to understand this at a deeper level. So project is instant fund transfer and will be designing up the mobile banking app for it. So product owner will be deciding which features are critical and will be prioritizing the roadmap as well. Business analysts will be deciding the flow and would be understanding the major functionalities at a deeper level. So for the fund transfer, business analysts would be creating the process flows such as login, select beneficiary, validate, transfer with all edge cases. And project manager will ensures delivery and the time launch of the product.